everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to do a first impression of the Chanel 19. So if you want to learn more about it, keep watching. Here is the Chanel 19, and I have it in the size medium, I think is what they call it. So there's a medium size, and then there's a large size, and then the one smaller than this one would be a walk, like a wallet on chain. And that was pretty confusing to me. So I think, don't quote me on this, but I think there's this size and then there's a size above it that are like the actual bags. And then the one below this one would be the wallet on chain. So there's just two sizes, I think, but don't quote me on that. But yes, this is what they call the medium. And the way that you can kind of tell, because it was confusing for me, is that there is, the other one will have, so this one has like a full square and then square. Is this a square? No, diamond. A full diamond and then half a diamond and half a diamond. And then the other one comes out a little bit more. So that's kind of how I remembered it. And then right here, there would be a stitching here. And then that's how I would tell that it's the large. So what I have is the medium. And this is in goatskin. And here is kind of a look for it. I'm doing this first impression a few months out. Let's see. I think I've had this for about 4 months now. And I kind of wanted to tell you guys what I thought about it and how I'm feeling about it. So here is the front. Whoa. Here is the back, and it comes with this really large pocket and a magnetic closure here. What is this even? Oh, it's a, what's it called? Business card. And it has the textile, let me take this out. It has a textile lining in here in this really pretty like burgundy color. And it has a and this pocket is very big. Like it's the same width of the whole bag, and it's pretty deep. And it has a magnetic closure, which is really nice. And then here's the sides. You can see that I have a scratch on it here. I bought this on the resale market, and it already had the scratch on it. And the reason that I got this, not brand new from the stores, because I wanted the goat skin. So right now, I believe they're selling it in lambskin, and I want it specifically in the goat skin, so I had to buy it from the resale market. And here is the lock, and here is the top handle chain, which is really nice for when you want to grab it. And then let me show you the inside. This is the dust bag that it came with. And here is the inside and the strap. And then again, it's that really pretty burgundy color. And then it has a zipper here. And then here is the, I should probably take this plastic off. Let me try to take it off. There is the zipper pull, and then the plaque here. Ooh, let me take that off too. Yep, it has the plaque here that says Chanel made in Paris. Ooh, oh, that's pretty satisfying. So there is the plaque. And I believe this was before they started microchipping it or putting that, that plaque thing on there. And then it has a zip closure here. And here is the tag that it came with. And I guess this is from 20B. I am not very good with like Chanel collection, so you could kind of figure out what year that was from. And I usually just keep that in here. And yeah. Oh, and then let me show you the chain. Here's the inside. It just has like your really big turn lock. And here's the other side of it. It's in like this very like aged gold color. And then here is the chain. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you know about the different metals on the straps. So it has this leather piece here, and then it has the ruthenium, I think, and then it has like the shiny silver onto the aged gold, and then it has like a little bit of shiny silver here, and then the gold here. So when I first saw this bag, I didn't think that I want it, simply because I am not a mixed metals girly. I am a gold girl, and I didn't think that I could be that daring or that so like the thought of mixing my metals was like not appealing to me whatsoever. But I think it kind of grew on me because like I'm kind of dipping my toes into silver, but I like how this is mostly gold and just a hint of silver, so it's kind of just like a little bit of it, because I cannot do an all silver bag. Yeah, that's just me. But I like how this is, because it's pretty versatile. And the strap is really comfortable because of this bit here. Sometimes it doesn't stay on my shoulder, because like when I'm moving it around, like if I want my bag like closer to the front of my body or the back of my body, that all kind of depends on where this strap will land. But I don't mind it at all. I find it super comfortable because the width of the actual chain is really thick, and it goes cross body, unlike your regular classic flaps that just go on your shoulder. Like, I love the classic flap, but this is definitely fit into my lifestyle more, because it's casual, but it's like it still looks really nice, and I really like the puffy texture to it. I think it's really fun, and it's just really fun to touch, and it feels so nice. Like, you would think that this is a very it's a very sensitive leather, but it actually isn't. Surprisingly, it's pretty durable. I mean, I wouldn't like scratch it on things on purpose, but I definitely find myself not worrying about it too much, and I think that it's because it's the dark leather, and because it's this squishy material where it's not like super pulled and tight, you know, like it is for like a classic flat bag where the leather is really pulled and tight. I think that that's where you definitely see more scratches and nicks, but I think that because this has like a flexible feel to it, you kind of notice less scratching in that sense. So yeah, and I really like how comfortable this is on your body. I am about 5'4", and it lays perfectly. It's not too long for me, and it's not too short, so I really like that. And then let me show you how I usually pack it. I'm a very, very light packer, but let me show you how I would pack it normally. So normally I would definitely have my key holder, so I have my keys in here, and that is like huge, so it definitely fits in there. And then I have my my wallet, so I have my cards in here, some cash, and some like random rewards cards, so I have that in there. And then I have my AirPods here, so of course that's gonna fit because this is pretty big. And then I have my little pouch here, and it has like my, what is this called? My mascara and blush and hand sanitizer. Is there anything else in here? Oh, and a lip gloss. So that will definitely fit in there. Super comfortable. And then I'm filming on my phone right now, but I will usually have my phone back here in this pocket because it's easy. It's like very easily accessible. And yeah, and then that is how it fits and how it looks when I pack it. It's pretty smushy, and there's lots of room in there in case like I want to add anything else. What I did notice is that it has like this big opening here, so if you have like a pen or like a lip gloss floating around in your bag, it might fall out, so I would be careful of that. But you know, that's just a little thing, and it's just so squishy and fun, and it looks really good with my casual outfits. I think that since the weather is getting kind of warmer, I'm not really gravitating towards it as much, but it goes really good with casual outfits. Like, I don't think of this as a formal bag. This is definitely like a casual bag. Let me show you what else fits inside just in case you're curious. So let's pull out my usuals. So I was curious to know if my medium agenda will fit in here, and it fits just fine. And it would fit with all of my essential stuff. I don't think it would fit with the pouch, but if I just wanted to like pull out the, I guess I would do my lip gloss and a hand sanitizer. It's like the main things that I would need. But yeah, that fits totally, can fit it there and there, and that would close very comfortably. Bam. Okay, cool. Yep. Pretty heavy because like the agenda itself is pretty packed, but that would be totally like more than I would need. Like if I was going to a cafe or something and needed it, but that totally fits in there. Oh, and I was also curious. I don't know if this will work, but I have the Toiletry 19. I mean, I don't know if you would ever put this in here because it doesn't seem kind of pointless, but that would totally fit in there very comfortably. So yeah, this is a very spacious bag compared to the classic flap. Because I mean, I know that when I bought this, I really tend to compare it to the classic flap because that's my favorite Chanel style. But this is definitely way more of an everyday bag compared to the classic flap. I have a few bags that I could like compare it to. Maybe that would be kind of helpful. Here is the Chanel wallet on chain, and you could kind of see the size difference there. This one is way bigger than the wallet on chain, and I'm pretty sure yeah, this would definitely fit in here along with like a lot of other stuff you could fit in there. But you could kind of see the differences between the leathers here. So this is a caviar leather. I bought this a really long time ago, but you can see the graining there compared to the goatskin leather, which is really interesting. Oh, and you could also see the strap differences. So here is the strap width compared to this strap width. It's a lot thicker, and which makes a lot of sense because this bag is bigger and heavier. So I'm pretty sure if you had like a skinny strap on it like this one, it would not be very probably wouldn't hold up, but you can kind of see the differences there. But yeah, that's the differences between those two. And then let me bring out my, okay, here is my classic flap, and it's probably not as comparable because it's like a really different color here, but you could kind of see like the size differences. Let me move this out of the frame. You could kind of see the size differences there. So this one is a lot like structured compared to this one, and but you can hold way more even though they kind of look similar sizes there. And then let's compare the chains too. So this one's a lot way thicker than that. Oh, and then let's see if I can grab this chain too. So there's the different chains there. The wallet on chain, Chanel 19, and the classic flap chain. Another flap bag that might be comparable is the Pochette Métis. So here's kind of the differences between the two. Size-wise, I think they carry about the same amount of stuff, and like the size of it is very comparable. It just kind of has different looks, but I think these are pretty comparable. And then I also brought out my Celine Classic bag. Some people call it the box bag, and those are pretty comparable. I think, yeah, these two also carry about the same amount. And so I think these are pretty comparable with each other as far as like it being like a casual flat bag style. I think this one, I don't really carry crossbody, but these two are definitely crossbody bags. So that's a bit of a comparison there. Overall, I really have been enjoying this bag. I love how it's very Chanel. It's very Chanel to me because of the leather woven strap, the quilting, I think this is pretty fun compared to the usual CCs, and it's very loud and in your face Chanel. If you like that, I think that this is a great option. I like that sometimes, so I really like this bag. I like how it has this chain for when you want to grab it. I think it's really useful. It's super comfortable and very comfy to wear. Price point is usually like a very important topic with Chanel. It's very expensive. So whether you think that that is worth it to you is up to you. It's very pricey, and there are a lot of alternatives. So that's kind of on you to decide. I think that it's super expensive right now, and there's a lot of different bags that could kind of fill this need in your collection. But, you know, if you really like it, I think that it's a great bag to pick to buy. I am certainly happy that I bought it when I did, and I don't see it going out of style anytime soon. And I think that even if it is out of style, it's a very comfortable and useful bag to have. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.